Did you know that the wrong car could be putting seniors at higher risk on the road? Let's face it, not all vehicles are built with the visibility, safety features, and ease of use that seniors need to feel confident on the road. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 senior-friendly SUVs in 2025 that combine advanced safety technologies, smooth handling, and thoughtful design, perfect for making every drive both secure and enjoyable. Whether you're using it for everyday errands or as your trusted companion on longer journeys, these SUVs are the perfect personal vehicles to keep you safe and comfortable wherever the road takes you. And trust me, you'll want to watch until the end, because the number 1 SUV on our list just might surprise you as the ultimate choice. Number 5. Hyundai Tucson. When it comes to finding the perfect SUV for seniors, the Hyundai Tucson checks all the boxes. From its thoughtful design to its state-of-the-art safety features, this compact SUV is a standout choice for older drivers who prioritize comfort and peace of mind on the road. One of the Tucson's biggest strengths lies in its impressive safety features. Equipped with forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, the Tucson provides a sense of security that's hard to beat. It even includes rear cross-traffic collision warning, which is especially useful for navigating parking lots or tricky intersections. These advanced systems work seamlessly to help prevent accidents and keep you confident behind the wheel. The interior of the Hyundai Tucson is another reason it's ideal for seniors. The spacious cabin offers ample headroom and legroom, making it easy to get in and out without feeling cramped. The seats are designed with ergonomics in mind, providing excellent support for long drives. Plus, the intuitive layout of the dashboard and controls ensures that everything is within reach and easy to operate. No confusing tech or unnecessary bells and whistles, just a simple, straightforward experience. On the road, the Tucson delivers a smooth and refined ride. Its suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, ensuring a comfortable journey even on uneven terrain. The steering is responsive, and the overall handling is stable and predictable, giving drivers a sense of control in every situation. With a fuel-efficient engine, the Tucson is also economical, making it a practical choice for everyday commutes or weekend getaways. Reliability is another hallmark of the Hyundai Tucson. Backed by an impressive warranty and years of top-notch reviews, this SUV is built to last. It's also reasonably priced, offering exceptional value for seniors who want a safe, comfortable, and dependable vehicle without breaking the bank. All these features make the Hyundai Tucson a top contender for seniors looking for an SUV that delivers on every front. But this is just the beginning. There are even more incredible options coming up. Keep watching, because the next car on the list could be the one you've been waiting for. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is more than just an SUV. It's a blend of style, safety, and performance that makes it an outstanding choice for senior drivers. This compact SUV is perfect for those who value a refined driving experience without compromising on comfort or security. One of the CX-5's strongest features is its exceptional safety technology. It's equipped with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These systems are designed to keep you protected and stress-free behind the wheel. Additionally, the CX-5 consistently earns top ratings from the IIHS, including the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus designation. Inside, the Mazda CX-5 offers a premium cabin that feels luxurious without the premium price tag. The seats are supportive and well padded, ensuring comfort on long drives, while the thoughtfully designed dashboard places everything within easy reach. The ride is quiet, thanks to excellent sound insulation, making every trip relaxing and enjoyable. On the road, the CX-5 excels with its precise handling and smooth ride. Mazda has fine-tuned its suspension to provide a balanced driving experience, giving you confidence whether you're cruising through the city or tackling a winding road. The all-wheel drive system adds an extra layer of stability, especially in challenging weather conditions. Plus, its fuel efficiency is a bonus for seniors looking to save on gas without sacrificing performance. The Mazda CX-5 combines style and substance effortlessly, making it a standout option for seniors who want a vehicle that's safe, reliable, and enjoyable to drive. Its timeless design, impressive safety features, and overall value ensure it remains one of the best choices in its class. But there's more to come. Don't miss the next car on this list, which offers even more advantages. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has long been a favorite among seniors, and for good reason. Combining practicality, advanced safety features, and a comfortable design, it's the ideal SUV for those who value confidence and ease on the road. The Subaru Forester excels in safety, earning a top safety pick plus rating from the IIHS and 5 stars from NHTSA. Its suite of advanced safety features includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, making it easier to navigate tricky parking lots or intersections. With these systems working together, the Forester ensures peace of mind during every drive. Inside, the Forester offers a spacious and practical cabin that's perfect for seniors. The elevated seating position and slim roof pillars provide excellent visibility, while the wide door openings make getting in and out effortless. Its well-designed layout features user-friendly controls and high-quality materials, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable ride for both short trips and long journeys. When it comes to driving, the Forester's smooth and balanced ride stands out. Its suspension is carefully tuned to absorb road imperfections, offering a stable and secure experience even on rough terrain. Paired with Subaru's standard all-wheel drive, it's a reliable option for all weather conditions. While the engine may not be the most powerful in its class, it's efficient and dependable, making the Forester a smart and practical choice. Reliability and value are also part of the Forester's appeal. With Subaru's reputation for longevity and its competitive starting price, this SUV is a great investment for seniors who want a safe, durable, and versatile vehicle. The Subaru Forester is a standout option, but the journey isn't over yet. Wait until you see the number 2 SUV on the list. It might just steal the spotlight. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable and versatile SUVs on the market, making it an excellent choice for seniors. Combining advanced safety features, a comfortable design, and Toyota's legendary dependability, the RAV4 is built to inspire confidence on the road. Safety is where the Toyota RAV4 truly shines, with features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Its stellar crash test ratings include a top safety pick plus from the IIHS and a 5-star rating from the NHTSA, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. The interior is thoughtfully designed with seniors in mind. It offers plenty of headroom and legroom, and its seats are supportive and comfortable for both short trips and long drives. The easy-to-use infotainment system ensures you stay connected without any confusion, while the large cargo area adds practicality for everyday use or weekend getaways. On the road, the Toyota RAV4 delivers a smooth and predictable ride. Its suspension effectively absorbs bumps, ensuring a comfortable driving experience on all types of terrain. The responsive steering and stable handling make it a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or open highways. For those looking for even better fuel efficiency, the hybrid version offers an eco-friendly option without sacrificing performance. With its combination of reliability, safety, and user-friendly features, the Toyota RAV4 is a well-rounded SUV that's perfect for senior drivers. It's no wonder it remains a top choice year after year. But the best is yet to come. Don't miss the final car on this list, which could be the ultimate fit for you. Number 1. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has long been a favorite among drivers of all ages, but it's particularly well-suited for seniors. With its blend of safety, reliability, and everyday practicality, the CR-V is a standout option for those looking for a dependable and comfortable ride. When it comes to safety, the Honda CR-V doesn't disappoint. It boasts advanced features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. It has consistently earned high marks in crash tests, including a top safety pick plus rating from the IIHS, making it one of the safest compact SUVs on the road. The CR-V's interior is designed with comfort and ease in mind. It features wide door openings for easy entry and exit, plenty of legroom and headroom, and supportive seats that make long drives enjoyable. The dashboard layout is simple and intuitive, ensuring that controls are within easy reach and easy to understand. On the road, the Honda CR-V delivers a smooth and steady ride. Its suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, and the handling is both predictable and responsive. The CR-V also offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for seniors looking to save on gas without compromising performance. Reliability is another hallmark of the Honda CR-V. With its solid track record for dependability and a competitive starting price, it's an investment that will serve you well for years to come. Its spacious cargo area and practical design make it a versatile option for both daily errands and longer adventures. The Honda CR-V wraps up this list as the ultimate all-rounder, delivering everything seniors need in a safe, reliable, and comfortable SUV. Whether it's the advanced safety features, smooth ride, or user-friendly design, this vehicle truly checks all the boxes. Choosing the right SUV as a senior means prioritizing safety, comfort, and reliability, and these 5 models deliver on every front. The Hyundai Tucson leads with its advanced safety features, spacious interior, and smooth ride, making it a practical and dependable option. The Mazda CX-5 adds a touch of luxury with its refined design and precise handling, perfect for those who want both style and substance. The Subaru Forester stands out for its exceptional visibility, standard all-wheel drive, and highly rated safety systems, making it ideal for any weather. Meanwhile, the Toyota RAV4 offers unmatched versatility with its comfortable cabin, stellar crash ratings, and hybrid options for eco-conscious drivers. Finally, the Honda CR-V rounds out the list as the ultimate all-rounder, combining a spacious design, smooth ride, and reliable performance for everyday use and longer adventures.